Welcome to the world of precision engineering. Today, we are exploring the mechanical heart of your car, the fuel injection system. To understand where we are, we must look back at where we started. For decades, the carburetor was the standard for fuel delivery, but as technology evolved, so did the need for precision. The modern fuel injection system is a marvel of electronic and mechanical sync. The process begins deep within the vehicle at the fuel tank, where the fuel is stored before its journey to the engine. A high-pressure fuel pump submerged in the tank pushes the gasoline through the lines at a constant, controlled pressure. The fuel travels through dedicated lines toward the common rail, which acts as a pressurized reservoir for all the individual injectors. Overseeing this entire operation is the electronic control unit, or ECU, the brain of your vehicle. The ECU processes thousands of data points per second from various sensors to determine the exact timing of each injection. Now, let's look closer at the injector itself. It is essentially a sophisticated, electronically controlled valve. Inside, you'll find a solenoid coil, a plunger, and a nozzle designed for high-pressure delivery. When the ECU sends an electrical pulse, a magnetic field is created, lifting the plunger off its seat. This allows the pressurized fuel to escape through the nozzle in a very specific pattern. The fuel is atomized into a fine mist, which is crucial for achieving a complete and efficient burn during combustion. To see this in action, we must look at the four-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the intake stroke, the piston moves down and the fuel or mixture enters the chamber. In poured fuel injection, the fuel is sprayed into the intake manifold, mixing with air before entering the cylinder. Direct injection, however, sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber under much higher pressure for better control. Once the fuel is in, the compression stroke squeezes the mixture, making it highly volatile and ready for ignition. Then comes the power stroke. A spark ignites the fuel, creating the explosion that drives the piston down. But the ECU isn't just guessing. It relies on sensors like the mass airflow sensor to measure the air entering the engine. Downstream oxygen sensors in the exhaust detect how much fuel was burned, sending a feedback loop to the AC. The ECU adjusts the pulse width, the duration. The injector stays open to maintain a perfect 14.7:1 air-fuel ratio. This constant adjustment ensures maximum power when you accelerate and maximum economy when you cruise. Fuel injection systems have transformed the automotive landscape, offering lower emissions and higher reliability. Whether it's a daily commuter or a high-performance race car, the injection system is what makes modern driving possible. By mastering the delivery of every drop of fuel, we've unlocked the true potential of the internal combustion engine. So next time you press the gas pedal, remember the complex dance of electronics and mechanics happening under your hood. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into automotive technology. Stay curious and keep driving.